Reading Pioneers is proud to present Chewie the Goldendoodle, Best Friends by Paul and Monica Carson, illustrated by Nita Kandra. Chewie and his best friend Scout play everywhere, inside and out. His turtle Scout is number 1, a squeaky toy that's lots of fun. They start their day off with a ride. Scout is there by Chewie's side. Back at home, the games begin. Scout watches Chewie run and spin. They play a game of make-believe. Mom throws a ball. They go retrieve. Then it's time to take a nap. Scout snuggles up in Chewie's lap. The nap is over. Out of bed. Time to eat. Let's go get fed. Chewie eats from his food bowl, while Scout plays in her swimming hole. Next, it's time for hide and seek. It's Scout's turn now. Best friends, don't peek. Scout could be hiding anywhere. Get down, Scout! Don't play up there! They lounge around, out by the pool. The summer heat begins to cool. The evening brings one last surprise, as Chewie rubs his sleepy eyes. The best friends sit and watch the sky. With beautiful colors, the sun says goodbye. The tired friends prepare for bed, thinking of sunsets, yellow and red. They snuggle together in a heap, and slowly both drift off to sleep. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book Chewie the Goldendoodle, Best Friend by Paul and Monica Carson. This was such a cute story, and the illustrations by Nita Kandra help show the bond that Chewie has with his best friend Scout. Now, this isn't even the first book of the series. Toy Trouble is a story about Chewie's first time meeting his new family. And if you're interested, you can click the card above. To purchase your own copy of Best Friend, you can click the Amazon link below to help support the authors and illustrator. Also, I recommend checking out the website chewiethegoldendoodle.com to learn more about Chewie and upcoming stories. There is a Facebook page as well, which are all going to be provided as links in the description box down below. If you have a story or book you'd like to have read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Finally, it would really support this channel if you subscribe and click the notification bell, as over 99% of my viewers are non-subscribers. So click all of the buttons and comment below your thoughts about Chewie and Scout. Unfortunately, this is it for today's video. While waiting for the next upload, you can check out the playlist on the left of other amazing books for children, and on the right is Toy Trouble, in case you didn't click the card. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.